Hello, District 7 families. This year, your child's teacher will be holding online class meetings, whether it's on e-learning Fridays, if your child is on the AB schedule, or if your child attends the virtual school. Your child's teacher will use Microsoft Teams, which is a video conferencing program, to hold class meetings online. This app should be installed on every student's MacBook or iPad. If you want to download a free version of Teams to your iPhone or Android device, you can find that in the App Store or the Google Play Store. So how will you, as a parent, help your child join an online class meeting? Your child's teacher will share the link to the online meeting in several different ways. Your teacher might post the meeting link in Schoology. They may email you the meeting link. They can text the meeting link, or they might send the meeting link through an app like Remind or Class Dojo. Your child's teacher will let you know how she or he will be sharing links to online meetings. Here is an example where a teacher has shared a link to a Microsoft Teams meeting in Schoology. And in this case, if you just click Join Microsoft Teams Meeting, that will launch the Teams program and allow your student to join the meeting. Here's an example where a teacher sent the student or parent an email with the link to join the meeting. And again, clicking the link will launch Microsoft Teams and allow your student to join the meeting. So let's go in a little bit more detail. When you or your child receives the link from the teacher and click the link, it will launch a page that looks like this, and you will have an option to open Microsoft Teams, which you can see is highlighted in the red square. The first time that Microsoft Teams runs on your MacBook or on a PC, if you have it installed on a PC, your child can sign in with their District 7 email address. If you do not have the email address, please contact your child's teacher. They would then type in, or you would help them type in, their District 7 email password, and then click Sign In. When Teams launches, it will launch in a video window similar to this, where the student or you can turn on their microphone and their camera, or can turn off the camera or microphone, and then click Join Now. If the teacher has not started the meeting yet, you may receive a message that asks you to wait until the meeting begins. There's another way you can join a meeting when the teacher sends a link, and that is through the web browser. Teams will run in the web browser, such as Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge or Firefox. Teams does not work well in Safari, so please use Chrome or Edge or Firefox. In this method, when you click the link, or your child clicks the link to the meeting, instead of clicking Open Microsoft Teams, which will launch the Teams app, if you click Cancel, you can then choose Continue on this browser, which you can see is again highlighted in the red square. If you are accessing Teams through the web browser, you may be asked to allow the browser to use your microphone and to use your camera. And so for your student to be heard or seen in the meeting, you would need to click Allow. Again, the video meeting window will open similar to this, and your child or you would type in the student's name. They can turn on the camera or the microphone or off and click Join Now. And again, they may receive a message that says, when the meeting starts, we'll let people know you're waiting. And so your teacher would let you in to the meeting. And the third method for joining a Microsoft Teams meeting is from the iPad, if your student was issued an iPad. First, you would locate the Teams app on the iPad. Again, sign in with the District 7 email address that your student received. Type in the District 7 email password for your child. And a video meeting window will come up similar to this. Again, the option to turn the video on or off, the microphone on or off, or your speaker, which is the sound that you will hear on the iPad. And when you're ready, click Join Now. So that is a brief tutorial on how to join a class meeting with Microsoft Teams. If you have any questions, please let your child's teacher know, and we will get you the help you need. Thank you.